Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Woo! We got a cool video for you today. We are your research and destruction channel, and today we don't care about research. We're just gonna destroy some Rubik's Cubes. Yep, we got the world's largest Rubik's Cubes. That's the truth because it said it on the box. So I don't care if there's bigger ones out there. They're not real. So here's what we got for you guys today. Thank you, Nehemiah, for suggesting this. He's my buddy that, believe it or not, I wash dishes with. Yes, I wash dishes. And he was just messing around with this one day. He's like, Chris, you need to blow up some Rubik's Cubes. And I'm like, done. Well, I had to find the biggest ones I could find, and that was these bad boys right here. And here's what we got for you guys. So the first one we're gonna do is this one right here, and this has a bunch of Firebird targets. These are non-binary exploding targets, and they are a lot of fun. So thank you, Firebird, for hooking us up with these. You can shoot these with pistols, 22s, even archery. So if you're into archery, you know, get you some of these targets here. They are really, really cool. And we're gonna hit it with a Black Aces Tactical, double-aught buckshot, just to make sure those things go off. That's our first one. Our second one, over here, we are gonna see just what happens when you hit it with one of these blue tip 50 BMG rounds. Yeah, folks, 50 BMG. I mean, why shoot anything else at it if it doesn't explode? So we got that one there. And then the last one we're gonna do is this spotter tracer round. This is a special spotter tracer round. It's gonna make a decent amount of smoke when it hits it and a flash. So you guys will appreciate that one. Well, this is what we got for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Help us hit that 200K mark, man. And don't forget to buy a 50 BMG beer bottle opener so you can open anything but Bud Light with it and just enjoy it. Those are made by Justin and I. There's only a few left. There's a link in the description below. Shut up, Chris. Let's get to the destruction.
So I absolutely love these Firebird targets. We go through them so fast because they're so much fun. No mixing required, nothing. You just peel them, stick them, shoot them. I was initially not going to use the blast shield at all, but Chris insisted. He's like, don't, if you get hurt, then don't scream like a little girl. And I was like, that would be embarrassing. So let's put up a blast shield just in case. So we tried using buckshot and all 9 pellets missed the targets. They hit the Rubik's Cube, that was the target. So we're gonna switch to birdshot. Still should set it off. Ah, yes, that's what I'm talking about. That was cool. So yeah, birdshot will set off Firebird targets. That's just amazing. I love it. I did have a piece hit me in the lip though. Your blast shield failed me.
Look at it. If that doesn't deserve a thumbs up, I don't know what does. Come on, people. That was great. Thank you, Firebird targets. Those things are a lot of fun. Like Justin said, we tried doing the buckshot, but every pellet missed. And it was like, all right, forget it. We thought it would be better. It didn't. Birdshot works great. Nothing left of this. So thank you, Nehemiah, my dish dog buddy, for suggesting to do this. This was a lot of fun. Well, now we're on to the next one. And this is cool. This is a laser engraved brass. Right here it says, don't tread on me, and Going Ballistic. I don't know if you could see those. Can you see those, Justin?
Yep, sure can.
There's that. Don't tread on me.
No step on snap.
No steppy owie. That's like the new one. It's sad. Anyways, not this flag. We don't run. We are going to shoot the blue tip sparkle fart at the next one. Here we go.
I had to make sure this wasn't one of the dummy rounds that we used to offer, full of sand, but this one should be a live round. So we moved back a little bit more from the shotgun, obviously because of the spread pattern. So this is a blue tip versus a Rubik's Cube. I don't know if it's gonna be enough to set off the tip. Oh wow, it actually did set it off. That was a good flash. Colorful pieces everywhere. Let's see if someone can solve that one.
That was freaking awesome, man. I love the way on the high speed where the bullet went through and then the tip went off and then it just destroyed it. Here you go, Nehemiah. That's an easy one for you to solve because it's already solved. Unless we just bag up all this stuff and bring it back to them. This is pretty cool. Oh, there you go. That's what they look like when they're out of the bag. Sweet! That was awesome. I hope you guys are liking this one. This is a lot of fun. I love destroying toys. You know, what's funny about these things is on the box, it says this. And it also says this where it's telling kids to cheat. Good job, Rubik's Cube. Let's teach our kids to cheat instead of hard work. Anyways, enough crying. Let's get to the last one. You're going to love this.
All right, so now we're on to the final round. This one we got in the mail. It had a bunch of Chinese writing on it. After we deciphered it, it said to stay back a little ways. So it's probably really close to the zebra round we've shot before in the other videos, but they're almost impossible to get a hold of. So hopefully this is actually one of them. And again, didn't really zero this rifle too well, but hopefully I can hit. We step back a little ways just to be extra safe. Ready? Oh my God. Okay, that's definitely a zebra round. That was nuts. Everything's gone. It cleared out the range for us. She's a beaut.
That was cool. This is insane, but what a great way to solve a pain in the butt puzzle and clean up the range. Thank you to our Chinese friend who sent us that round. That was awesome, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, thank you to Nehemiah. That deserves a thumbs up and a comment. Just even if it says, wow, that was cool. I really like you guys. You're the best, blah, blah, blah. You know, 40 words minimum. It's cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much. This was a lot of fun. Man, it blew the wood apart, everything. That was awesome. Again, hit that subscribe button and we'll be back.